Scene script. Have you ever wondered what the IQ of a chatbot could be? It's a question that might sound a bit out of the ordinary, but in this era of ever-evolving technology, it's certainly something to ponder. Now, before we dive into the depths of artificial intelligence and chatbots, let's take a moment to understand what IQ, or intelligence quotient, really is. Originating in the early 20th century, the concept of IQ was introduced as a way to measure human intelligence. It's assessed through specific tests designed to evaluate a person's cognitive abilities in comparison to their peers. These abilities include things like problem solving, logical reasoning, and understanding complex ideas. So where does artificial intelligence fit into this picture? Well, AI, in its simplest form, is the simulation of human intelligence by machines. These machines or computers are programmed to think like humans and mimic their actions. And a chatbot is a prime example of AI in action. It's a software application used to conduct an online chat conversation via text or text-to-speech. But here's the catch. AI, including chatbots, doesn't have an IQ in the traditional sense. Why, you might ask? Because IQ is a measure of human intelligence. It's a yardstick designed for humans, by humans. AI, on the other hand, operates on a different level. It doesn't have the same cognitive abilities as humans, nor does it learn or comprehend in the same way. AI is based on algorithms and programming, and its intelligence is dependent on the quality of its code and the data it's been fed. It doesn't have a brain to process information or emotions to influence its decisions. It doesn't grow or evolve in the same way a human does. It's a tool, a sophisticated and impressive tool, but a tool nonetheless. So, if we can't measure a chatbot's IQ in the same way we measure a human's, how do we evaluate its intelligence? Well, that's where things get interesting. But more on that in the next part of our video. Until then, remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who's as intrigued by AI as you are. Just like humans, chatbots have their own unique ways to showcase their intelligence. It's fascinating, isn't it? Now let's dive a little deeper and explore how we evaluate the intelligence of these digital conversationalists. Understanding and responding accurately to human input is a key yardstick in assessing chatbot intelligence. This involves not just comprehending the literal meaning of words, but also the context and intent behind them. And this is where natural language processing, or NLP, comes into play. NLP is a branch of artificial intelligence that helps chatbots understand, interpret, and respond to human language in a valuable way. It's like teaching them to read between the lines, enabling them to comprehend sarcasm, emotion, and even cultural nuances. Now let's take it a notch higher with machine learning, or ML. ML allows chatbots to learn from their interactions, improving their responses over time. They're like sponges, soaking up knowledge from each conversation to deliver more accurate and contextually relevant responses. It's a continuous process of learning, adapting, and evolving, much like how we humans learn throughout our lives. One chatbot that has demonstrated advanced capabilities in NLP and ML is GPT-3, developed by OpenAI. It's like the Usain Bolt of chatbots, running ahead of the pack with its ability to write essays, answer questions, and even create poetry that's hard to distinguish from human-written content. GPT-3's power lies in its ability to understand context, generate relevant responses, and learn from its interactions, making it a shining example of chatbot intelligence. So, can we assign an IQ number to a chatbot? Well, not exactly. Unlike humans, chatbots don't have cognitive abilities or emotions. They don't possess the ability to think or reason beyond their programmed capabilities. Their intelligence is more about their ability to process and analyze data at lightning speeds. While we can't assign an IQ number to a chatbot, their intelligence is evident in how they interact with us. So the next time you chat with a bot, remember there's a lot of sophisticated tech working behind the scenes, making that conversation possible. Let's delve deeper into the intelligence of one of the most advanced chatbots out there, GPT-3. GPT-3, or Generative Pre-trained Transformer 3, is a marvel of modern artificial intelligence. It's a chatbot, yes, but it's also so much more. It operates on a deep learning model that allows it to generate human-like text with uncanny accuracy. It's as if you're talking to another person, but that person is a machine. At the heart of GPT-3 is a language prediction model. It's designed to predict the probability of a word given the previous words used in the text. This is how it creates sentences that not only make sense but often show an understanding of context that's strikingly human. And the more it interacts, the better it gets. Every interaction is a learning opportunity, a chance for the model to refine its predictions and improve its responses. But the real magic of GPT-3 lies in its ability to adapt to nearly any task without specific training. Whether it's translating languages, writing essays, or even creating poetry, GPT-3 is up to the challenge. It's like a linguistic chameleon, seamlessly blending into whatever conversational environment it finds itself in. Some of the demonstrations of GPT-3's capabilities have been nothing short of mind-blowing. It's penned entire essays that have fooled experts into thinking they were written by humans. It's solved complex puzzles, answered trivia questions, and even engaged in nuanced philosophical debates. It's like having a conversation with a highly educated, endlessly patient, and infinitely resourceful individual. But here's the kicker. GPT-3 doesn't have an IQ score. It doesn't think or understand in the way humans do. It doesn't have emotions or consciousness. It's a tool, a very sophisticated one, yes, but a tool nonetheless. It simulates understanding and intelligence by leveraging a massive amount of data and a highly effective prediction model. GPT-3's abilities may not equate to an IQ score, but they certainly make for a fascinating study of AI intelligence. The field of chatbot intelligence is evolving at an unprecedented rate. As we look toward the future, we can expect a significant surge in the capabilities of these digital assistants. With advancements in artificial intelligence and machine learning, chatbots will gain a deeper understanding of human language, including idioms, sarcasm, and emotions. In addition, they're poised to develop a better contextual awareness, interpreting not just the words we say, but also the underlying intent based on the situation or conversation history. This will lead to more meaningful and productive interactions, blurring the line between human and artificial conversation. However, with these advancements come ethical considerations. As chatbots become more intelligent, it's crucial that we establish guidelines to ensure they're used responsibly and that they respect user privacy and maintain transparency. So, while we can't exactly measure a chatbot's IQ, we can certainly marvel at the strides of progress in the realm of artificial intelligence.